The tip is always have the tools on hand to do what needs to be done. Customizing your pliers will help you put a roll of tie wire in your reel faster. I buy Klein 9-inch Ironworker pliers, and I enjoy the spring-loaded hand-form handle that allows them to open when I open my hand. Here's a trick to make things easier for you. First, I remove the plastic covering so I can see the steel on the handle of my pliers. I make a mark on the handle so that I have a good guide when I cut it with my 4-inch Milwaukee grinder. I love the battery-operated tools. No more cords getting in your way. One side of my pliers I have grinded down to a flathead screwdriver to help tighten my reel when needed. The other side of my pliers, the hook bend side, I have cut a groove in the handle to tuck the wire into the slot, as you can see here. Regardless of the gauge of wire I'm using, I know I can effectively move it around with my customized handle. That's it. A sweet little trick to make your pliers that much more valuable.